Tell him, you had a hot toddy this morning?
Don't look at this AMG, bro.
And I'm zooming in. You gotta zoom in on his neck, John. You gotta zoom in. He lying. He talking about he was sick this morning. He ain't wanna say nothing. He look 100% to me, don't he, John?
Look. Okay, wait, that's not just on me.
You 100%.
Ask him when I texted him. Ask him when I texted him. Here.
Ask Josh when you text. Josh said you texted him already, but when I called you, you said you were sick. Josh, what time did he text you, Josh? What time did Therese text you?
Respond till 7.
But I text you though. Look at what time I text you. You got too many numbers. Let me not put that on the screen. What time did I text you, bro? At 7:42.
I was back asleep.
At 7:42.
I waited till
at 7:42. You didn't answer them. See how you do me? Who?
Where's Ty?
I don't know.
Where's who?
Ty.
Probably out with his
Oh. Well, yeah, he's not going anywhere then. Is that a train?
No, somebody got it.
So I just want everybody to pay attention to this. See the group. See everybody's group. All right, Therese. That is a ring. With a ZR1. With a ZR1 hood. Well, how much was this bumper, bro? How much was this bumper, bro? Cause that's a ZR1 bumper.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah, man.
How much you pay for it? I like the wing too. You get the carbon. It was $1,800 for the. Who installed it?
Huh?
Who installed it?
I bought the car with it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
It's dope. I like it. Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, that's dope. Yeah. I like the build. You did a good job, man. When you pour it in, I'm like, oh shit, that one was. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, it's hard, man.
He paid a pretty penny for this one.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
All right, man. Have a good one. Y'all, he paid. That's a Stingray. What is it? He paid $1,000 for the bumper. And he paid $1,800 for the wing. But then he told me that it came with it. So now I'm confused. What you think? Somebody lying. Who lying? He said he bought it. The bumper was $1,000. The wing was $1,800. But then he bought it together with the car. Hey, you want to race? Hey, you want to?
tweakers.
What you think about that, Josh?
Certified.
Ooh, they fooling.
Well, do it.
Are they about to? I got that shit, but I didn't get on my phone though. Yeah! He called it too. Hey, you wasn't on. Oh, it's on my key. Bro, thank you, bro. Damn. I didn't get on my phone.
Did he call it too?
He said some hey, that's an Air Mustang here. Damn.
Back up.
Hey, let him try to get out. He ain't getting out.
He's not.
He ain't getting out. I know everybody ran over here. Hey, who got a Chevy key? Bro, Mustangs, bro. Don't buy a Mustang, bro. I'm telling you.
Don't do it. Get him off for it.
Damn. Or get a vet. Either one. Damn. Bro, I got it on camera, but he just went into the fence though. Oh my God, trying to do a burnout. He trying to push. Move that truck.
If y'all get out of my way, I can move.
Somebody else about to run into something. Oh, that's a 392. He's straight. Hey, yeah.
That's more like a Mustang.
it turn on now? Hey, rev it. Hey, rev it. Yeah, but now he in the middle of the street. I don't. His tire flat. He not hitting shit else. You got, hey Josh, you got it on your phone? Oh, you gotta send me that, bro. I got it on the camera though. Ooh, I'm posting that tonight. I'm posting that tonight. Hey, give me a hug. Yeah. He said, hey, wait, hang on. What kind of car is that? I got it. You do? What is it a month? That's your favorite car too.
We were talking about.
I know the whole time.
And you know the crazy thing? Before they did the burnout, somebody was like, "Watch out! It's a Mustang. He's gonna crash."
Bro, it's like that. Josh got the whole thing on there. What happened? Yeah, Josh got it on his phone. I told him I didn't get. I got it on this, but.
Oh, there's Melissa.
Hey man, that's a Subaru. Chill.
Bro, y'all owe me an apology for that shit.
Yeah, you did. I was like, bro, ain't nobody out here. Literally, I said that.
You probably would have got your shit snatched.
We thought.
Yeah, I know.
Get your shit snatched.
No, well, actually, I would have waited at my car until I found my keys. Legit, like I would have had Torres sit on the car.
Skyler, the mark is right here.
Oh yeah, it was like.
Did you see the body damage on his car?
Bro, why this truck? Why he try to block the way? That's a goddamn drag car. That's not even a Mustang no more. Hey, that's basically GM right there, baby. That's not even a Ford no more. Right? That's on LS Ford. Oh, he ain't run, Josh.
Oh, he said, I thought he was running. I said,
That was about to be content.
they certified tweakers.
Bro, what? Bro, I was hoping. No, he not. He stopped. Fuck the police, huh? But I don't know why he really shouldn't be tripping though. Like, hey, that's a Mustang, bro. Chill.
Bro, they certified.
Hey, Josh, you like that, huh?